Hello everyone, this is Ashish from Codebase, and today I've decided to create some videos on Vim so that people can learn it, because I have taken 6 or 7 months I've been learning, and people say it's very difficult, but if someone who knows, who has gone through that path can guide someone who doesn't know it, it will be easier for them. So I've decided to create a video in 59 minutes. I'll be creating cover of 3 or 4 or 5 videos, which all will span across 59 minutes, and in those 59 minutes I'll sum up everything I've learned in 6 months. So get ready to amazed, right? So initially, okay, we'll start with the introduction. What is Vim? Okay, so let me pull up a Wikipedia page. If I Wikipedia page. Wikipedia Vim. So Vim is kind of editor, which is VI, if you say. I mean, you might have seen it any of the Unix-based system, for so any of the Linux and Mac OS systems. So today, I mean, nowadays, if you see, VI is called Vim Improved, and Bram Moolenaar is the key guy here for Vim. He takes care of everything. If you even see the GitHub for Vim, he is a key guy to Vim. He takes over everything. He's doing everything by himself for 10 or 12 years. He's only one of the sole contributor of this Vim. People, of course, send their pull request and give their changes, but he's the only guy to maintain the Vim. So why Vim? The most important reason I find Vim for using Vim is, for example, if you're working somewhere, if you're connecting to some cloud or some Unix box, uh, you do not have any kind of other editor, right? You can just use command line editors like Nano, Vim. And Nano is not that efficient if you have used it. I mean, it's very slow as compared for editing if you want to do a lot of things. And Vim, people have been using for full-fledged IDE also. If you might have seen some uh, very good programmers. We'll be starting with Vim. Okay, so now installation. So if we talk about installation, Vim comes by default in any of the Unix-based systems. For example, any of the Linux and the Mac OS. So, for example, I'm on Mac. So if I open it, this is my command line. So I can use VI. So this is Vim. I have configured it to look like this. Your might not look like the same because I have installed some plugins. We'll go through that in a while. And you can change everything. And you can configure by using vimrc file. So if I show you my vimrc file, it looks like this. It has a lot of these commands which has been written in Vim script, and you might look into the syntax if you want to write your own, but not now. After some time, after getting fluent in Vim. So this is by default. It has been modified by me. This why, but I want to show you vanilla version. So I'm using Ubuntu here. You can just install Ubuntu. You can dual boot it. Just search on the YouTube. I don't want to go into that detail. For Windows, you can just search on YouTube how to install Vim on Windows, and you can go through it. So in terminal, if I open terminal, this is the vanilla Vim I have by default. I just installed it yesterday, the whole operating system. If I go Vim, this is the Vim default. I haven't done anything. So first, or you can also Vim. You can also use Vim. I think it's not there. So VI is Vim. Okay. So you just use Vim and you will be in the Vim. So the first important thing I want to tell you is how to come out of Vim if you have entered the Vim, because I see most of the people get frustrated about they're not able to come out of Vim. So command is colon Q. Colon Q is for coming out of Vim. I'll share share everything, so nothing to worry about. No. So Vim, if you again go to Vim vi, you are inside the Vim. Now for example, we want to edit a file, but we don't have a file yet. We want to create a file. Vim, let's create my.txt. You can just create. So it has file has been created. As you can see, this new file has been created. Now for suppose so Vim has three mode, briefly, if I say insert mode, normal mode, and visual mode. So insert mode in the mode in which you can insert data, insert any text, and we have visual mode in which you can mark the data, and then you can copy it anything you want to. And normal mode is you can is the mode in which you can fire any commands. For example, if I want to write anything, I have to go into this, into insert mode. For this I'm in normal mode, right? So otherwise I'll see a cursor. I'll go into the insert mode using I. Now I'm in insert mode. Now I can write down anything. I am writing in Vim column. Okay. Now if I want to save the file, I have to come out of insert mode first to normal mode. That I will do by using escape. So I escape. Now I'm in normal mode. Now I can do colon W for write the file. Right. So we have learned three commands till now. The colon Q for coming out of the Vim, colon W for writing a file if already written it, and in I for inserting in, I mean going into the insert mode, right? Now if I want to do anything else, I'll just go into the insert mode again, I insert mode, and I am in insert mode. Okay. Then I again go back to normal mode by escape, and I write file again. W. Now if I want to come out of the file, I can do Q for coming out of the file. Now if I go to the file again, I'll see the whole text because I have already written the text. Okay. Now you might say that if I want to write something, I have written something but not have not have saved it, have saved it yet. Now if I want to come out of the file, escape colon Q, it won't allow you because you have changed the file but you haven't came out of the file and you haven't saved it, right? So Vim doesn't want you to lose anything. So either you want to come out of the file by losing data, you can use colon for that. Colon means forcing. So you can come out of the file. Now if I go again to the, I won't see the data I've written, right? So this is a way of coming out of the file. If you have, it, I mean I have seen people struggling coming out of the Vim mode because they might have written anything by I mean not not wanting to rewrite it, but accidentally they've written something but not coming out of the Vim, so they get frustrated, right? So just use colon Q out, colon Q exclamation to come out of the file by force come, right? And also we can concatenate commands. So WQ will tell me to write and quit. Called VI, so just use VI. If you are inside a file, okay, if you are inside Vim already, and if I'm already inside VI, I want to edit something, I use E and then edit, then my file. Okay, sorry. VI E my.txt. My.txt I'll use to edit my file and I can go with it. And to come out of the insert mode, I can use escape or control left bracket, or you can also add double C or double colon whatever in your vimrc file. I'll teach you how to do it. I have added double C, which is very useful. Okay, for doing undoing, you can use u small u for undoing stuff. We already done control R for redo stuff. For example, if I want to edit something, I'm editing in this file. Okay, if I'm coming out of this, if I come escape, if I want to undo it, I'll do U undoing it, of control R to redo it. Now there's some basic commands I'll want to talk about. That I'll talk in the next session. But for that, I mean, before that, I want to go into some other things. I want to uh, talk about some things. One sec. So these are two very important websites you want to look into. Wimadventures.com, which is a kind of gaming. If I reload it because I've already which is a kind of game for learning, making you learn your movements in Vim. For example, I've already told J for coming down, K for moving up, H for left, L for right. You can learn everything here as a game. For example, I'm in your current position is L for right, K for down, L for right, K for up, K for up, J for left, J for up, K for up, sorry, J for. So you can just move it, and I mean, you will play a very good game, and you will also learn something. If you want to go into it, I think it's very helpful. You can just play for half an hour or something if you want to. And also, it's a very good website, openvim.com. It will teach you everything. There are some sessions you can go through the session. It will very interactively teach you everything if you want to learn a bit. But no need to worry about. I think I will teach you everything, and then you can go in and explore everything. Before that, before ending the session, I want to talk about uh, this is my blog on Medium, Code Brace. It's called. So medium.com/codebrace. Okay. So if you want, please like this post, and also you can also follow me on Twitter. You will find everything about me on artist.live, which is my portfolio website. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I hope this will help. This is a very small step. This will be around 10 minute video. So we'll be having around 5 or 6 videos, and in all those videos you will learn much of the game, and then you can go with your own path and develop your skills. This is my website. You want to know about me, you want to contact me, you want to know any of my uh, social media link, you can just go there and contact me at my number also if you want. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.